today we're in Bristol Metropolitan for our 5th annual Maths Hub Conference for the Boolean Maths Hub. The Maths Hub is now in its 6th year, and it's very exciting today because we have Ben Smith, who ran 401 marathons in 401 days. We've got Ben Sparks, who's going to do a little bit of music and gambling, and then Gifford, who's an early years researcher and extremely well known in the community.
I'm just fascinated by maths, and that's what drew me here today. But particularly Gifford, the early years specialist, and I've read a lot of her books, and she was one of the key speakers today. So I saw the name and thought, I need to come and hear her speak.
And I call this one the grieving Teddy. So there's some problem solving going on there about the properties of a rectangle.
I think the Boolean Maths Hub is extremely important because, as we can see today, it brings practitioners from all levels, from early years right through to post-16, and we know that working collaboratively and working together and exchanging ideas and working on problems together is a really key thing in which teachers develop, and the outcome of that is that children make better progress in mathematics.
The importance of Boolean Maths Hub, and in fact all the maths hubs around the country, are the fact that maths educators actually have a central place to go and coordinate their support, to go to ask the questions that we all need to ask to get help, and to go and celebrate the bits of the subject that we like. And the hubs are really good at doing that. And just check what happens, because the triangle goes on a long way, right? I mean, it does do that, and yes, it does keep going. And the rest of the talk is just staring at this.
I think it's really important to bring people together, to share all the different types of resources that are available, but also, share stories of successes.
The Maths Hubs were set up to coordinate professional development across the country, and I think Boolean, from what I understand, is one of the hubs that is working most successfully in terms of doing that. So they have a wide range of work groups that are on offer, a wide range of resources, and access also to the NCTM.
Yeah, I mean, the Maths Hub Conference is just an incredible opportunity, not just to increase your knowledge, but to increase your network of contacts. Typically, what you learn today is important, but the contacts you make will have an impact longer term.